Welcome back, guys, to Junebug's Journeys, and today we're going to cover a little day off shenanigan, and it has to involve my boat and my four-wheeler. So every time I've wanted to move my boat in the past, I've always had to put my hitch on my truck and move the truck around, get it all lined up, and 9 times out of 10 I'm by myself. So you're in and out of the truck trying to get it lined up right so you don't back up into it, because I don't want to damage my bumper backing into my boat trailer. And so today, for some reason, I was sitting there looking at the four-wheeler and I said, why don't I ever just put a ball on that and use it to move the boat around, at least the yard? And I had a ball that I was gonna put on my bumper before I got my under bumper hitch on my truck, and damn if you know, it didn't fit. So I put it on there real good and tight, and next thing I know, I'm pulling my boat out of the yard and down the road a little bit to get it turned around to, because there was water in the boat. So here's a good look at what I got done today. So here you go.